We're gonna do some beautiful beach waves on this beautiful. Oh baby. Okay, so first things first.
It's already so bad.
Works. Don't sweat it. You're gonna look great when I'm done with you.
Did you turn the iron on? I'm not gonna be able to use this. It's gonna be such garbage.
You're gonna need one of these. If you don't have one of these, you're not serious. And if you're not serious, you're gonna look dumb.
We need to pick him up.
It smells hot, so I think it's hot.
All right, 2 minutes and 36 seconds in. You're gonna try to actually curl a strand now.
Yeah. So what you gotta do
I also
is...
gave you brushes and stuff that if you do
Oh,
need
perfect. No, I was looking for brushes. All my clients use a Tangle teaser. You're gonna wanna do... grab a chunk.
That is a good amount of hair.
So you're gonna wanna... you twist like this? No, that's not right. That's not right at all. I go like that. Yup. Right?
Does it look right? Did you watch my video?
I did watch the video. Oh, it's like this.
Never hold heat on hair that long.
Okay. Sorry.
Move on to another piece because that piece is cooked. Take a little piece, go to the other side of my head because that side of my hair is probably never going to grow again now. Okay, and now bend it towards you and keep it moving the entire time.
Oh. First timer. That's a good crease for a first timer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's good, right?
Can't catch him. You have to turn me to face the camera. That's fine, because we're 5.5 minutes in. Are any waves happening?
Yeah, there's a lot of beach waves.
Do you feel like you're done with down here?
No. It's too flat.
Yeah, that's my hair coming out.
I feel like I'm not good at this.
Okay. Alright, now you gotta do the top, I guess.
Already looking like we're ready for a night out. These pieces in the front, because I know these are important. Because they frame the face.
Okay. We're getting up to 8 minutes, so if anybody would still be viewing us by now, they'd have to be related to us. What was that?
Okay.
You love to use tension.
I love that.
Do you feel like we're done? Watching my video, was there anything else that I did?
Yeah, there was a lot that you did more.
Like product-wise or anything?
Not product, but like... dry shampoo. And then scratch your head a little bit. It makes them feel nice. That's what it's all about. Make sure you see your face. Faccia bella. We gotta comb out the beach wave.
Comb out the beach wave. Careful. Holy shit. Oh my god. If If you can hear your hair when you're brushing it, you're not doing it right. I mean, but then again, we're not even supposed to be just brushing my hair right now.
It feels nice though. Ta-da! Just as good, if not better.
Do you want to say anything else before you leave?
Go check out Pizza Mare.
No, we're not plugging Pizza Mare.